KernelCare makes it possible to apply security updates without having to reboot Linux servers. Rebooting servers takes time and requires downtime. The process is dreaded by most system administrators. Yet a reboot is needed to update to a new kernel, and kernel updates are needed to keep servers secure. This simple guide shows how to deploy KernelCare that patches running kernel without the need for the reboot. Let's start with a vulnerable kernel. There is a known denial of service attack against it. As you can see, that script crashed the server. Let's boot back and deploy KernelCare. All it takes is one command to deploy KernelCare. KernelCare will automatically detect running kernel and apply updates for that kernel. Let's try to exploit it again. As you can see, we are no longer vulnerable because the latest patch was applied and without the need for any reboots. You can see the list of patches applied to the running kernel by executing. The patches include the patch for CVE we used to crash the server, among a number of other patches, protecting the server. KernelCare checks every 4 hours for new patches, but you can run updates manually as well. If you see a kernel is safe message, it means all necessary patches have been downloaded and applied. To stop automatic updates, edit File and change Auto Update to False. And if you reboot into a new kernel, KernelCare will automatically detect the new kernel and download patches applicable to that kernel. Let's try again to crash the system. As you can see, KernelCare automatically applied the newest patches for the running kernel, and the whole process of the deploying KernelCare is extremely simple, yet it will keep your server nice and secure. To learn more, visit our website. Thank you for watching.